Yo, what's up, guys? So it's Christmas. It's like 50 degrees outside. You probably won't see this video on Christmas because I uploaded like 2 hours ago. So if you haven't seen that yet, go back and look at that. So you guys already know that I got, you guys don't know. I'm gonna show you how that ended up here right now. Grab the G35. She runs good. She's got a slipping transmission, so basically you put it in gear and it takes like 3,000 RPMs to get it to go, and then it just like kicks forward. So yeah, got her. She's looking all clean, got some nice wheels on it. Got a little bit of damage. I guess somebody hit him or something happened and he spun out and he hit a guardrail or something. I don't even know. What I do know is that it's getting a 2JZ, so it doesn't matter. Alright, so I'm over at the vert coupe. I want to work on this thing for a little bit. So I'm going to pull off the brakes. I'm going to try to before the sun sets. Running out of daylight. But I'll see what I can get done. Alright, so as I told you guys yesterday, I put the 350Z harness in there and realized that the CAN bus system is different, so it's not going to work. So I just took that harness out. It's right there. That's the harness from the 03G, which has a completely different CAN bus system. I'm putting these two up for sale. But I'm going to take the harness out of this car because this is an 06 automatic and put it in this one. So I'm going to take this car for the last drive before she gets torn to pieces. So we're going to do that. Alright, so I took the harness from this car. It's completely out. I got it over in this car here. I have it all hooked up. I think I have to disable the neutral safety switch in the clutch pedal. There's two plugs for that plug into the OEM clutch pedal. I think I have to get in there and find a way to power that or bypass it or something. But something pretty shitty I found out. My ECU and my VQ is shorted out or something. I don't know, it's not working properly. I tried to use it to start up the G35 over here the other day, and because Nets is removed, it should be able to start it right up. I've put it in my daily G35 and started it up. It works. When I put it back in the S13 though, fuel pump doesn't prime. What else doesn't happen? The relays don't buzz, and then when you turn the key, it just cranks and cranks and cranks. So yeah, something's not working properly in the ECU and that, so that sucks. I messaged Hexa. I'm gonna see if I can ship it back to them and they can check it out. I really hope that it's not fried. That would really suck, so we'll see. But yeah, so I'm gonna figure out how to bypass these switches. I'm gonna go inside and do some research. So I appreciate everybody that watches, of course. I know things have been really messy lately and I haven't been really getting a lot done in terms of like getting things done on projects, but I have to do things to fund the builds because, you know, during COVID, it's hard to work in environments where you could expose yourself or your family to COVID. And I did just start working over at Diesel's shop. So even though I am working for a transmission though, so I'm not getting paid for that. So I have to try to make money by, you know, doing work for other people so I can get the money to work on my own stuff. So I know I've been talking about builds and getting more cars and I haven't really been getting a lot done on them, but it's because, you know, I gotta have the funds to do those things. So that's kind of why I picked up this car right here. You know, I originally picked up this for the 2J swap, but you know, with what I paid for it and what I got offered to make it run and drive for somebody, I can't really pass it up. I took that money to get this car, you know what I mean? I got more out of it for a little bit more money, and then I'll get to take the engine out, sell the engine, you know what I mean? And then make a lot of my investment back on this car. So, you know, it's the little game we got to play to fund the things that we want to do. But, you know, I really want to keep uploading and stay consistent in the content and give you guys stuff to watch because, you know, it's really exciting to watch the people that I enjoy, you know, their content, making it and seeing the things that they do and being able to make content for you guys by getting it funded by creating the content, you know what I mean? So I'm really working towards that, and I really want to be able to give you guys quality content to look forward to. So with that, I appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.